Hi, I'm Dr. Malvika Kohli. My team of dermatologists and I look forward to walking you through a journey of enhanced skincare. Welcome to Skin Secrets. It's another lovely day. Let me walk you through our clinic and show you all the different rooms and what we have to offer. Good morning, Sheetal. That's Sheetal, our manager. Good morning, Mani. How's the day for today, girls? How's it looking? Busy? All in order?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? The schedule is good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so should we start?
Yeah, sure.
So let's start with the first room, which is our EndyMed room. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How's everything?
All good, ma'am.
All ready for the patient?
Yeah, all good.
Okay, wonderful. Dr. Inderpreet and Sidika. Now we'll go this way, which is my consultation room, and this is the other consultation room. And here we have Shaista. Good morning, Shaista. All appointments, procedures ready? Machines are in order?
Yes.
In order. So we're ready for all our procedures, and we look forward to great skin care. This is our room where we do the oxygen facial. And in this room, good morning,
Hi, good
Manali.
morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Good, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Manisha. Good morning, Manisha. Good morning. Machine चल रहा है, सब ready है,
Yes.
products सब ready है.
Yes.
Great. Now we go to the second room over here, in this area, which is our laser room.
Hello, ma'am.
This is
ma'am.
good morning, ma'am. Hello.
Hi,
This
good
is
morning,
our
ma'am.
good morning, Swati, and that is Vijaya, and this is our ND-YAG hair removal laser. All set?
Yeah.
Wonderful. Here we are with Dr. Surna and Komal, and here we have the mini jet, as well as we do peels and we do other treatments like facials, like the pumpkin facial, the Dead Sea facial, and any other procedure that may require some jetting, hydration, moisturization, and many other lovely things that we do. This is our next laser room. Good morning, Rekha. And that is Dr. Gauri. All set? Okay. So here we have the laser machine, which is a platform which has many probes, as you can see here. And we do laser toning, we do brightening, we do the photofacial, we do hair removal, and these are all the various probes that we have to attach to the machine and start our treatment. So this is our laser room. We at Skin Secrets believe in the mantra protect, correct and enhance. For those of us who are blessed with great skin, let's start protecting right away. For those of us who have problems and concerns, let's correct and then learn how to protect. For those of us who have some aging concerns, we can enhance as well as we can learn how to protect as well, because good skin health is an ongoing journey. Once your skin concerns have been addressed, we believe in creating a maintenance plan, because maintenance is the key to a lifetime of great skin.
Radiofrequency energy is an electromagnetic energy which has deeper penetrative power but gently stimulates and tightens collagen with no pain and discomfort. And EndyMed Pro works in the similar manner. In EndyMed Pro, there are probes for tightening and contouring. There are 3 probes for contouring and tightening. The first one being contouring for the face and the body and the eye probe. The body probe is a smooth probe which delivers controlled radiofrequency energy which helps to tighten the already existing collagen, also helps for the new collagen formation with no pain and discomfort. In a similar manner, the face and the eye probe, they also help to tighten The collagen, which helps you reduce the fine lines and the wrinkles around the eyes and also on the face. The SSI probe has multiple blunt electrodes which delivers radiofrequency energy from the superficial to deeper layer and hence is useful for treating resident acne scars, stretch marks and keloids. In a similar manner, there is this intensive probe which has multiple gold-plated tips which is used to treat deeper acne scars and deeper scar tissue of a greater depth. The radiofrequency energy is color blind and there is no risk of pigmentation and no side effects. Therefore, get rid of those unwanted scars, stretch marks, keloids and cellulite effortlessly.
When you are thinking of improving the texture and tone of your skin, we have a perfect solution to it, which is called laser toning. So laser toning is a beam of light which specifically targets the melanin and collagen. Thereby it reduces the two-tone look, patchy skin and pigmented damage to the skin. It also reduces open pores, lines and wrinkles, thereby tightening the skin, sharpening the jawline and loose skin in the neck. It is suitable for all skin types and has different tips to target different depths of skin. Photofacial using the advanced fluorescent technology can help to treat conditions like acne, red marks from acne, rosacea, superficial pigmentation and freckles by delivering a focused beam of light. Treatments are 4 sessions 2 weekly apart to achieve smoother complexion.
Want to restore your earlier firm, lifted, natural look? Here's a very good solution for your sagging jawlines and loose skin over the neck. Technological advancements now allow us to use ultrasound, which is non-invasive and when delivered in high-intensity pulses, tightens the deeper sling called the SMAS, which slackens in your 40s and 50s. You won't believe it, but it will actually last you a year. A touch-up to readdress the difficult areas can be done 2 months later. This sleek-looking machine is a powerhouse, sending out bursts of high-intensity focused ultrasound called HIFU. A potent topical numbing cream is applied for about 45 minutes to make it pain-free. It is a 90-minute procedure during which these 3 cartridges of 4.5, 3 and 1.5 mm deliver energy sequentially. An immediate result is seen which further intensifies every week to achieve its maximum effect after 2 months.
Botulinum toxin or Botox as it is commonly called as is one of the most popular cosmetic procedures world over. In this method, an injection is given in the muscle that has to be relaxed so that lines and creases do not form. For example, when we fold a paper once, a mild line develops over it. But if we continue to fold the paper over and over again, then the line gets deeper. Similarly, when we use our muscles to express, smile or frown, lines get formed which get deeper over time. Therefore, Botox is particularly useful to treat lines around the eyes called crow's feet, mild to severe forehead lines and frown lines. It can also be used to correct a gummy smile, to correct a square jaw and to improve the appearance of a turkey neck. Botox is also used to reduce excessive sweating caused on palms, soles or axilla, and it is also useful to treat migraines and alleviate tension headaches. During the procedure, the area that has to be treated is cleansed and kept sterile. A numbing cream can be applied on the area to be treated so that no injection pain can be felt. Then tiny amounts of the botulinum toxin are injected in the area to be treated. The whole procedure takes no longer than 10 to 15 minutes. The effect of Botox kicks in about 7 to 15 days and the results can last for 3 to 4 months. The whole procedure is so simple and safe that one can return to normal activity post the procedure. Some patients like to do this treatment during their lunchtime and go back to work straight afterwards. Ever wondered why after a good night's rest and feeling fresh, people still ask, why are you looking tired? Or is it possible to lose body fat and yet keep the youthfulness of the face? Ever felt that the skin is aging faster than we are? All this happens because as we age, the skin naturally tends to lose the hyaluronic acid in it and tends to become more dry. Fine lines and wrinkles develop and face loses its volume. Gravity acts on the fat and the skin further, causing facial sagging and folds. And although weight loss is usually a positive thing, it does contribute to facial sagging. If you have ever felt any of these, then the answer lies in treatment with dermal fillers. One of the most popular dermal fillers are hyaluronic acid based ones, and they are used to treat a variety of aging concerns. They can be used to treat volume depletion caused over creases and smoothen the creases out over the nasolabial folds and marionette lines. They can also be used to plump up thin lips and rejuvenate the skin of the hands and the neck. It can be used to augment the cheeks and the chin and restore the youthfulness of the face. It is also useful to fill out the depression around the eyes so as to remove the tired look. Dermal fillers can also be used for scars that are caused by acne, chickenpox, and trauma. The effect of the dermal fillers is almost immediate, and if you don't like what you see, then there is an injectable dermal filler dissolve called hyaluronidase. Depending on the type of filler we choose, the effects can last for about 6 months to 2 years. During the procedure, most fillers come with preloaded anesthetic injections. Therefore, there is no pain during the procedure. So, if you want a more youthful, rested look and are afraid to go under the knife, then fillers are your choice because they ease out the signs of aging gently and give you a very natural look by subtly enhancing what nature has given you.
I'm Dr. Gauri. PRP, that's platelet-rich plasma, has certainly created a lot of interest in today's world. Reasons? First, its novel concept of using growth factors derived from your own blood. And second, its long range of applications, as in hair loss, skin rejuvenation, scars, alopecia areata, non-healing ulcers, and of course anti-aging. So how do we do it? We collect your blood into this specially sterilized tube, and this tube is placed into this centrifuge machine. We process your blood to separate the red part of the blood from the yellow part of the blood. This yellow part of the blood, that's the plasma, is very rich in platelets. That's the reason why it's called as platelet-rich plasma. This PRP solution is then injected back into pre-sterilized and numbed treatment areas. So what are the benefits of PRP? In hair, it stimulates stem cells to become primary hair cells, and also it makes thin hair thick. Hair regrowth is seen within 3 to 6 months. On face, it provides hydration and increases collagen, which gives tightening. On face, you'll be able to see fresh, hydrated, nourished, and young-looking skin within a week's time, and it stays on for 3 months or more. In short, PRP is absolutely safe, totally risk-free, because it's your own blood which is injected back, and the depth of the injections is limited only till the skin. That's not the end of it. PRP is so versatile that it can be combined with a lot of other procedures to give you better and quicker response. So what are you waiting for? Say yes to PRP today only, because it's a natural way to have great looking skin and hair.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sonam and I'm going to tell you about a hydrogen facial from Edge Systems, which is US based. It's a beautiful, sleek, intelligent machine which is ergonomically very well designed. The integrated products are a part of the system where the delivery of all the materials is done in a very sophisticated no-touch technique with special vacuum tubes. They have special tips which are used for delivery of the materials. The hydrogen facial comprises of 3 different types of facials. The Hydro Detox facial comprises of vacuum-based lymphatic probe which aids in the direction of the lymph flow to get rid of the water-retained puffy look with eye bags. This is then followed by hydration with our antioxidant solution which contains peptides for a soft and supple look. The Hydro Glow facial consists of glow fluid known as glycol which can be used for a bright, rejuvenated look. This is again followed by our hydration. The Hydro Glam facial consists of steps from both the above facials as well as red and blue light. The blue light can be used for acne-prone skin and the red light is used for anti-aging and open pores. This facial also comes along with standalone products like the sunscreen, the under-eye gel, cleansers as well as the antioxidant treatments. These can be used at home in adjuvant to the treatment of the facial. So come, experience a very satisfying hydrogen facial for a very refreshed, rejuvenated look. It's ideal to do it once every month for about 4 months and then can be done once every 3 months to keep the skin revitalized and refreshed. I'm sure you are all familiar with chemical peels, but I'd like to tell you about the newer generation peels which are simple yet effective. Superior delivery molecules have been devised to give better results. We have various types of peels which can be used to customize a patient's needs. The Azilicam peel consists of azelaic acid and salicylic acid. It is ideal for oily, clogged up skin with acne, pigmentation as well as marks. It can be used as a kickstart for any sort of acne treatment. The Azelico-Ferulico peel is a party peel which consists of azelaic acid and ferulic acid. These are applied at the same time with absolutely no downtime for a brightened, rejuvenated, refreshed look. The milk peel contains glycolic acid which gives an instant pick-me-up to any skin. The lactic acid present in it prevents it from drying up. So it's a great peel of choice for instant rejuvenated glow for dry skin. Black peel contains black acetic acid which is ideal for pus-filled acne as it reduces the inflammatory activity. Any acne treatment can be started after this treatment. The ferulac peel consists of ferulic acid which is applied in systematic coats on the skin and kept on the skin for about 6 to 8 hours after which it is washed off. This causes an exfoliation of the dead layers of the skin and gives about a brightened, refreshed, rejuvenated look with a smoother texture. It's great to remove the tan from the face or any other body part as well. Yellow peels are retinol-based peels that cause exfoliation and improvement of skin texture. They can be used for under eyes, for the face as well as for the body. These peels can also be used for stretch marks to improve the texture of the skin below. Phenol-based peels such as Nomelan are a great chemical that can be used to reduce pigmentation in areas of the body such as the arms, legs, underarms as well as the back. The exfoliation that it causes gives rise to a lighter looking, less pigmented skin. The Target Nano Peel system consists of various steps including retinols as well as tranexamic acid, which can be used to improve the appearance of melasma as well as stubborn pigmentation. All these peels used repetitively and systematically will act as an adjuvant to the current treatment and expedite the process of improving the skin as far as rejuvenation or pigmentation is concerned.
Laser hair removal is the most commonly done procedure at our clinic. We have been doing it for over 15 years with excellent reviews and results. Technology has evolved in all these years, making laser hair removal more safe, painless and suitable for Indian skin type. We have seen excellent results for body areas. Facial hair needs more sessions as it may be hormone dependent. So we advise all our patients to do a baseline hormone test before we start treating facial hair. At our clinic, we have two technology of laser. One is the NDAC technology and other is the super hair removal technology. NDAC is more suitable for darker skin type, dark hair and patients with ingrowth hair. And super hair removal is for finer hair and stubborn hair. For patients with sensitive skin, we always do a patch test before starting the treatment. Each session is supervised by a doctor and settings are changed every session depending on the hair growth, thickness and the skin type. Repeated sessions are done at an interval of 6 to 8 weeks can give almost 70 to 90% hair reduction. Adequate pre and post care precautions are taken to avoid any laser related side effects. This is the Cool Glide Tutera machine, which is the NDAC technology, and this is the probe which can be used for both small and large areas. This tip is cool. This is the freeze tip which helps to cool the skin when we are doing the laser.
At Skin Secrets, we believe in the mantra: protect, correct, enhance. Lips are one of the most defining features of any beautiful face. Their symmetry and proportion can lend a lot of value to your lower face as well as to your expression and your smile. So let me show you how I can create a set of beautiful lips. When you're younger, we enhance them. As you age and lips flatten and thin out, we can make them look softer, plumper, but always with a very natural, aesthetic look and appeal. A filler of hyaluronic acid, which is what we commonly use for enhancing and augmenting the lips, comes in a pre-packaged syringe. So it is pre-filled, it is disposable and it is sterile. This is what it looks like. So it's very neat, very sterile. The needles are disposable, and after placing this in the tray over here, I take this pre-filled syringe and I take the needle I want and I load the needle onto the syringe and I'm ready to inject. Now this is a clear, transparent product and it glides into the skin without any discomfort, and you feel no resistance, no discomfort except maybe the prick of the needle. Before we do a filler, we cleanse the area thoroughly, and as you can see over here, this beautiful patient has got a nice set of lips. However, they're a bit thin and they could do with a bit more volume, as we say. which will give her a much fresher look and a slightly happier look. When we do the filler, we first start by putting a drop to the top, and then we go, I want to give her a very soft and natural look, which is also what she has requested for. And we go from area to area. These needles are very delicate. You can see she has absolutely no discomfort. Now we have to understand that every lip has a limit. It is not only what fashion dictates, it is also what your lip can actually take. And as you can see here, we've given her lip border, a nice elevation. Can you open your mouth please? And it's also looking softer and pinker. Go into this portion of the lip, and we can give the body of the lip more substance and make it look fuller. You can also see that the angle of the mouth has got nicely lifted. Now I'm going to work on giving a slightly more upturned look to the corner of the mouth, and this gives a fresher look. You can see over here it's given a nice fresh look. Just giving a bit of the lower lip so that once again the lip of the lower lip blends in with the upper lip. We can do more if both the patient and the doctor feels that more should be done, but this is how you can give a very natural look. Looks just like your own lip, just has more what we say fullness and augmentation, and it gives a nice balanced definition to both the upper lip and the lower lip. Proceed now to do the middle. Now we shall proceed to the other side. You will agree with me that we have enhanced the natural shape of her lips. We have retained its proportions but enhanced it. We have given her a nice cupid's bow over here, made her lower lip look more enhanced, turned up the angles a bit, and the product itself is very smooth and has given her lips a nice pink, fresh, hydrated look. So give me a smile and blow me a kiss. I think that was fun.
You exercise, you eat right, you do everything you can to look and feel your best. The sad truth is, sometimes that just isn't enough. Most of us form stubborn areas of excess fat. You know, that muffin top, or those love handles. Bulges that are immune to diet and exercise. So your jeans don't fit. Your little black dress is too little, and your mojo is MIA. But now there is something you can do to get rid of the bulges that are keeping you from feeling your best. Cool Sculpting is a revolutionary new contouring treatment that uses the power of cooling to eliminate stubborn fat the safe, non-surgical way. Developed by Harvard scientists, this contouring treatment is FDA cleared for fat reduction, with proven results seen in clinical studies. So how does Cool Sculpting work? It all begins with a consultation, where you and your doctor will assess your problem areas and create a treatment plan based on your goals and realistic expectations. Then you'll book an appointment to lose that stubborn fat. On your Cool Sculpting treatment day, you should arrive wearing loose, comfortable clothing. The technician will apply a gel pad to protect your skin. Then the applicator delivers vacuum pressure and cooling to the targeted site. As the applicator pulls the bulge into the cooling panels, you will feel a firm tug and pinching and intense cold. There may initially be some tingling, but this typically subsides as the area gets numb. The fat cells are targeted and cooled, triggering their natural death. And because fat is more sensitive to cold, surrounding tissue and muscles are not affected. Over the course of the next few weeks, your body begins to naturally eliminate the dead fat cells. As the fat cells are eliminated, the remaining cells condense, resulting in an overall reduction of the fat layer. Depending on your personalized plan and goals, your treatment may last from 1 to 3 hours. When you're finished, you can return to your normal activities, including your workout routine. Some side effects may occur, including bruising and redness, numbness, soreness, or tingling, but they are only temporary. In the weeks and months that follow, you will see an undeniable reduction of fat, and as long as you maintain your healthy lifestyle, the treated fat cells won't come back. In your follow-up visit, your doctor will take after photos so you can really see how effective your Cool Sculpting treatment was. You and your doctor will assess your results to determine if you would like to have another treatment on the same area or treat other problem areas. Best of all, your clothes and your confidence will be exactly where you want them. Your little black dress will fit just right. You'll make peace with your two-piece. Your physique in that t-shirt will turn heads again. And those jeans won't be topped off with unwanted bulges of fat. You have the power to get back your swagger. You deserve to look and feel your best without surgery or downtime. It only takes an hour to own your mojo once more. Reclaim the real you with Cool Sculpting.
So do come and indulge and give us the opportunity to look after your skin and enhance it to its best. The wedding and festive season is here, and we all want our skin to look its best. So let me tell you about a few new treatments that are a blend of science and technology, where the products are botanical, chemical-free and pH balanced. So if you have an old tan which you want to get rid of, your skin is looking patchy, dehydrated and dull, then the best treatment for you to go in for is the Oxyfacial. This is such a relaxing, beautiful treatment because you have jets that deliver oxygen into the skin, and with it, it drives nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, a brightening complex that helps to rejuvenate the skin and make it look bright and fresh. Your dark circles also improve because it helps to improve the lymphatic drainage from the area and takes away the puffiness. We end with a jet which then gives a very nice, bright, refreshed appearance to the skin and drives out all the clogged pores and gives the skin a very smooth and even finish. For those of you who'd like to opt for an exfoliating treatment that helps to get rid of the dead layers of the skin as well as to bring back the glow, there is the Dead Sea Extract Facial Treatment, and this treatment particularly emphasizes on using the Dead Sea salt and extracts, which gently exfoliates the top layers of the skin to reveal younger, fresher cells. It is then followed by product applications ending with a mask that delivers special ingredients to hydrate the skin and give it back its brighter, fresher look. Another fabulous treatment which helps to exfoliate and bring back the glow is the 3D Fusion Facial. This is a blend of 3 technologies. The first is suction, which physically removes the dead layers of the skin from areas like the nose, the cheeks, the chin and the forehead. This is followed by a special application of hyaluronic acid delivered by a gentle ultrasound probe which hydrates and penetrates into the skin to give a dewy soft look, and then this is followed by light which tightens the pores. Lastly, we finish it off with a pack that gives the skin a cool and calm look at the end of the treatment. The best part of these treatments is that there is absolutely no redness, dryness or peeling, not only on the day of the treatment but also not on the next day or the day after. In addition, there is no steam or bleach used, which makes them absolutely safe. So let me tell you about this fabulous hydrating and firming treatment that not only the bride but also the members of the bridal party from both sides can avail of. It is the pumpkin facial. In this pumpkin facial, extracts of the pumpkin are used in the form of a lotion, a cream, a scrub as well as a pack which is sequenced in such a fashion that at the end of it you feel not only relaxed and rejuvenated but your skin has this firm, plump, fresh look and you can walk straight out and go into a party or to a wedding function because it gives instant results. So for all you brides to be, just as you're planning your wardrobe, your jewelry and your makeup, you need to wear your skin and show it off. So start planning your treatments 2 to 3 months in advance. Space them out once in every 2 weeks and you should try and do at least 4 to 6 treatments before D-Day. For those of you planning for the wedding season, you should do your treatments once every 4 to 6 weeks so that you have a continually fresh looking skin all through the season.